Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Smart Food Warming Tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings, perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Deep fryer. Oil filtration system. Advanced technology automatically filters and stores oil in a sealed container, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings through reusable oil. Enjoy hassle-free deep frying with this innovative feature. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 300°F to 375°F for optimal frying results. The thermostat ensures consistent heat, preserving authentic flavors and achieving the perfect golden brown exterior every time. Safety features. Equipped with a locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff. These safety measures provide peace of mind, allowing for worry-free operation during your frying sessions. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional-grade deep frying at home with minimal cleanup effort required. Vacuum sealer machine. Mega reliable 2 hearts, we treat you like family, and your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated team is just one click away, ready to assist you. Mega Power 2 hearts save your energy. Effortlessly preserve your food. With its 80 kilopascals powerful suction and high-grade heating wire, our MegaWise vacuum food sealer delivers an optimum vacuum seal in just 10 to 20 seconds. Keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer, and avoid wasting meals by throwing them in the trash due to ice crystal buildup in the fridge. Mega Functional 2 hearts save your precious time. Simplify the process. Our built-in sliding cutter is intuitively designed for you to quickly achieve a smooth customized bag, eliminating the need for external cutters. Plus, with its sleek and compact design, it's as easy to use as it is to store. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch. You even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries. Batteries not included. Please prepare batteries in advance. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. 200% quality money back, 100 days, free replacement money back if any dissatisfaction. If you find that the mill does not work after the product arrives, it is generally the case that the ceramic grinding core is stuck with granules. Ice Snow Cone Maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-ensured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Coffee Maker. Fresh, authentic coffee taste. Featuring a 4-level filtration system, complete with a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and final mesh screen. It effectively filters out coffee grounds while extracting the aromatic oils and subtle flavors. This preserves the natural oils and flavors of the coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, pure taste free from sediment and grit. Stainless steel stylish design. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel, this coffee press combines strength and elegance. The sturdy construction and robust metal handle ensure lasting durability, while its transparent body allows you to watch your coffee brew, adding a touch of sophistication to your morning routine and complementing any kitchen decor. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 1515-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Cleaning rubber gloves. High-quality material. These latex gloves are made of soft rubber, which is both stain-free and odor-free. You also get the fresh, light smell of rubber from them, better than other materials. Best of all, soft latex is gentle on the skin, so you will not get allergic reactions. Protect your hand. These gloves will make it possible for you that is allergic to hand wash the dishes that are not dishwasher safe. Practical design. The design of granules in the palm and fingers increases friction to ensure a better grip and control. The 13.7 inches glove length and cuffs tighten, designed to prevent water from flowing into the glove. Rational component. One order contains 2 pairs of gloves. Distinguish between different work use is a good helper for your life. Best cleaning gloves. Ideal for kitchen cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, indoor and outdoor cleaning, pet care use, etc. Measuring cup. Set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup angled measuring cups. Patented angled surface allows you to read measurements from above. Eliminates the need to fill, check, and adjust. Standard and metric measurement markings. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. Cup made of BPA-free and food-safe Tritan Renew, which is made from certified recycled content through a mass balance allocation process that transforms plastics destined for landfills into high-performance, food-safe materials. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas.